This is a quick video to show Geutebruck's GSIM software and how its operator console alongside remote consoles can replace GSE View and be used as site video management system. Firstly, operators have the ability now to use maps to navigate their way around cameras on a site. I'm on the Sites tab, drag in my site and it brings up the first map, and from here I can drag cameras into different viewers, and I'll set up a hotspot previously on this site to go inside the building when I click on the door to the next map, and then another hotspot, click here and it will take me into the meeting area, and I can drag cameras into viewers, and I've got the options here to click backwards and forwards through my maps and return to home. Operators also have the use of a standard camera list as they did in GSE View, where the cameras are listed on the cameras tab and they can drag and drop from here, and they can select one, select view, select a viewer, drag. It's fairly standard stuff. I mean, one feature I really like about the GSIM operator console is the user has full control over what the operator console displays via different templates and their contents, and this can be entirely down to them. Previously in GSE View, what was displayed for the operator was usually pre-configured in scenes at an administrator level on the software, but in GSIM's operator console the user can create and save different layouts as they see fit, and this is done like so. Drag. So I've got 4 cameras here in a 2x2. I'll go into my template section, go to my favourite layouts and save this layout as a favourite. Just give it a name, layout 1, save that, close this, and I'll go back into my templates, single screen. I was going to change it from a 2x2 into a 3x3. Close. I'm going to populate this with, just do the same camera, dragging and dropping. Again, I'll use the view option, click and then select my viewer, and again save this as a favourite, go into templates, favourite layouts, save current layout as a favourite, give it a name, and then as you can see I'm populating my list of favourite layouts to select and call up by hitting the tick box in the switch of my operator console to show my layouts I've been saving. I'll show you again. I'll switch back to the one I just made. And these can be deleted by select and delete this layout. It gives you a prompt, am I sure? Yes. And I close that. There. And this now moves us on to how the operator console can be used to control the GSIM remote consoles. Remote consoles are basically unmanned GSIM client PCs that are really used just to display monitors. There's no keyboard or mouse interaction with them. They're purely just driving big display monitors. As you can see, I've got my monitor wall down there, and they're controlled via the remoting section in GSIM. So I go up into the operator console's remoting section, and in the top left hand corner is remote control module. You've got a list of the different remote consoles that are on the network and available to be controlled. At the moment I've only got one, but as you can imagine, if you're in a big control room environment you'll have a few different view stations there running various different monitors, and they can all be controlled from within here. So as you can see at the moment I've just got 3 monitors, all each with a single screen template on. I can change this to, using the template selector, I was going to change the top monitor to a 2x2 and close that, and then you can drag cameras in to with different viewers, like so. As you can see, they're instantly appearing on the monitors as I drag them in. You've also got the ability in here to save favourite layouts, which is again another feature I really like, as previously when control room monitor walls have been configured using GSE view, it's a case of setting up custom buttons on one view station that controls the monitor wall and using mbed joysticks to switch cameras to global monitor numbers, and it's just a lot easier doing it this way via the remote control. So again, I can save favourite layouts as before on my operator console. I can do the same for a remote console. Just go into the template section again, favourite layouts, save current layout as a favourite, call this wall 1, like that, hit save, and there it is saved as a favourite. Close it, and I'll just switch these back to I'll change that to a 1x2. Close, and I'll drag some more cameras in, like that. There we go. And then again, templates, into my favourite layouts, save as a favourite, so give it a name, wall 2, hit save, and as before I can select my layouts in this list, select display, and it's changing my monitor wall as I select it, and I can delete these as well. Close this. Again, they've got full play mode control over what you probably won't be able to see this as it's not really zoomed out enough, but it's playing backwards now. I can pause it, and I think this is a PTZ. I can send that PTZ to different positions. You can see it's moved there. And there you have it. So it's quite an advanced tool for configuring, and it's all done by the operator really, how they want their monitor wall to be displayed. It's done by them with minimal setup from a administrative engineering side. So there we have it.